Hello friends, welcome to part 6 of Children's Bedroom Design from Keyframes Animation. I am Abhishek Inamdar. I am a technical director in Keyframes Animation. Uh, in previous parts, I have designed the bed, everything from scratch, storage, table, chairs, everything. So if you have missed my previous tutorials, please go and check my previous parts of children bedroom design. That will be a better understanding for going forward. For going forward. So now in this tutorial, I'll be taking on books texturing and starting off with lighting and then rendering. So let's get started. I'm selecting this cap. Just have to place it over here. I have not given any texture, so I'll do something in texture part. I'll ungroup open. Okay, it has been selected. So I'll make this white. Say one is be wall, and this one will be red for red. Uh, say I'll say 15 to material. I don't know 15. Okay, will not reached on that point. Let's add say red cap. It's done. Okay, it's floating. I'll say group, I'll say close. I'll move this one like this. Yeah. So for giving a book texture, I'll go in Photoshop. I'll take one new. I can keep red. I'll fill this red. Anything you can write. Say 90 degree. Of course, I can make it like this. Okay, not a good idea. Take one more plane. I'll say red. Again, I'll take blue. select one. I'll go to take white. I'll make again copy of this one. See here. So anything you can write. World map. I want to learn the world map. That's what we can say. So double clicking world map. I'll change the font. This will be a cool world map. Now I'll say save. Frames online. Maps, books, JPG. And go in 3D Max. I'll select books. Say open 13. Material number 13. Or maybe directly we can assign, it's not a problem. Books. Books. I'll say bitmap. I'll say assign show. I'll take box. I'll go view and I'll select one. Select this one. 13. 13. 13. 13. Oh, why I'm giving a material? Oh, don't want material IDs. It will be directly cached like this, like this. Very good, very good. Again, I'm in trap. I want different materials for different books. That's why I was in need material. So bad. This one again. This one. And fine, we can close it. I can duplicate same thing, because it's very hectic job to show each and every part. So I'll make a group. I'll just make a copy. I'll make flip. Of course, when you practice, you can give it very realistic way to show the books. Now this is what we have now. So all things are clear. Just I'll check the back. It's fine. Go to camera. Now I'll move for lighting. Go in perspective. I'll take Vray light. Vray light like this. Place over top. Say 2, 1. I just want 1, and I'll place standard light, target direct. A sunlight will come inside. Like this. Modify, I'll show on shadow, V-Ray shadow map, V-Ray shadow. I'll go in directional parameters. I'll increase the hotspot, top, this, and one more light, V-Ray light, I will place on the window. Lights, V-Ray light. Flip of the light, this one, so light will come inside. Two, I want invisible light, it won't be seen, and environment will be white. Press C. I'll go in render setup. I'll set up my render. I'll say frame buffer. Global switch on. I don't want displacement. Adaptive DMC. I want capital ROM. Color mapping. I want exponential. Indirect illumination. Light cache for secondary bounce. I want low right now. For light cache I want only 500, then we can increase it. Show calculation on, phase on should be on, setting will be 32. If you want in detail render setup, do refer my Vray render setup tutorial for it. I'll just click on. One more thing is remaining. I have not given a texture to my plane. Still some parts are missing from this one. I'll select my plane, go to modify, I'll say material, and just check it out which material is going on, or maybe blank material, standard Vray material. I'll go to bitmap, say flooring, slightly reflection I want. Go to UVW map, so now just make sure some parts we have seen it's not textured. Material 2, I'll just pause my tutorial while rendering is going on. This is how the render is coming. Still we have to do some work. This wall is seems to be very plain, so I'll give some texture to this wall. So again I'll go to Photoshop. I'll take one new and I'll make some this we can say pink. Any design we can I'll just save it this. I'll go in max. Material, say 13. I'll say 13. This one will be, I think One is wall, one. UVW map, I'll say box. This will be some like, you can any add some flower wallpapers or whatever you want to add. So you can add some wallpaper over here. Just off this texture, and again I'll see my buffer, which one has to, the shininess should be less on ground. Then I'll increase the quality of the render. Fine. I'll just pause the tutorial and I'll show you the final output. This is what we got, not in final output, but frankly speaking, I have not liked the wall, so I'm changing my decision. I'm going to back to material, and I'm clearing this material and giving a plain color, a bright color, you can say. This will be a fine. This is what the output we have got from the rendering. Then this output we can take to Photoshop and adjust as per need. We can adjust look and feel or shading. So if you like my tutorial, do subscribe my channel, that is Keyframes Online. If you want any kind of tutorial, do let me know what kind of tutorial you want to see, maybe from basics or maybe from advanced, or maybe you want to something lighting, texturing, or in simulation. So I'll try to make it especially for you. So have a nice day, and I'll see you in next part. In maybe I'll doing something different. So now I'll take a leave from you. Yeah.